The very first field you will encounter here is labeled Product Description. This section appears on every product detail page. In this space, you should provide a thorough and compelling explanation of your product, outlining its main features, benefits, and the qualities that make it different from others in the market. Your description should clearly communicate why your product is valuable and why a customer should choose it over similar options. It is also important to conduct proper keyword research and include those relevant keywords naturally within your description. Doing this improves the visibility of your listing, increases traffic, enhances your product ranking on Amazon, and ultimately helps you generate more sales. There are several tools that can simplify the keyword research process. One of the most effective and reliable tools I personally use is Magnet by Helium 10. By entering a seed keyword, Magnet generates an extensive list of related, high-value keywords for your product. Another very useful tool is Cerebro, which allows you to uncover the exact keywords your competitors are ranking for. By entering a few of the best-selling competing listings into Cerebro, you can view all of their keyword data and strategically include those terms within your own listing. This provides a significant advantage and helps you compete more effectively. Any fields highlighted in red or marked with an asterisk are mandatory. For now, you can type placeholder text or a simple generic line to move forward. If your interface includes the option, you can click Add More to create additional paragraphs. In some layouts, you may simply type multiple paragraphs directly into the description box. Next, let's look at the bullet points section. These bullet points are displayed at the top of your product detail page. You can add up to 5 bullet points, and I highly encourage using all 5 available slots. Amazon allows up to 5 bullet points by default, and in some categories, flat file uploads may permit more. When writing your bullet points, take time to identify the top 5 key benefits of your product. Focus on how it uniquely solves the customer's problem and what makes it superior to other options on the market. Try to avoid generic, repetitive, or filler phrases that do not contribute to the sale. A simple test I often recommend is this. If you can copy your bullet points and paste them onto a competitor's listing and they still make perfect sense for their product, then your bullet points are not strong enough. Each point should emphasize what sets your product apart. Like your title, these bullet points should also contain relevant keywords to improve your ranking. According to Amazon's most recent policy update, the use of emojis, decorative characters, or promotional claims such as 100% guarantee or best deal is no longer permitted. Ideally, each bullet point should contain between 200 and 250 characters, though the limit may vary depending on your category. Avoid mentioning prices, shipping details, or company names, and keep the focus strictly on the key product benefits and features that influence a buying decision.